Bir elin nesi var, iki elin sesi var. One hand alone makes no sound. Two hands together do. The Forest Bridge. In a deep green forest, a small squirrel named Lila wanted to cross a broken wooden bridge. But the wood bridge was too heavy for her to fix alone. She pushed and pushed, but nothing moved. A little later, a rabbit named Pico arrived. "Let me help you," he said kindly. Together they lifted one side of the wooden plank. Then a turtle came by, and a bird. Soon 4 animals were working side by side. Little by little, the bridge stood strong again. Lila stepped across happily and said, "I couldn't do it alone, but together we did something amazing." All the animals laughed and repeated the Turkish saying, "One hand alone can do little, but many hands can move mountains." Its meaning, teamwork is powerful. When people help one other, impossible things become possible. We succeed more when we work together rather than alone.